Hello and welcome to another WBS Coding School presentation. And right here in this episode, we're going to be dealing with a web dev presentation from two recent graduates at WBS Coding School, Denis and Pia. I want to welcome the both of you. Thank you so much for your time here. And I'm looking forward to hearing about your presentation, about what it is that you developed over the 15 weeks at WBS Coding School. And yeah, it looks amazing. So go ahead and tell me a little bit about yourself first, and then also just give me a little bit of info on the overview and also maybe some in-depth insights on your project that you created.
Yeah, thank you, Miguel. So I guess I'm going to introduce myself real quick. My name is Pia. I'm from Hamburg, and I used to work in project and product management, and I want to be a web developer now.
And my name is Denis. I come from Croatia, and same as Pia, I wanted to develop my web development skills right in this WBS coding school.
So we started this final project shortly after Christmas. So after our Christmas break for the new year, we thought, okay, let's tackle this final project. And we were talking about what to do, and we wanted to do a real life project, if that was possible. And besides coding, one of my passions is martial arts, especially Krav Maga and self-defense. And so I asked my instructor for the training center where I'm training, which is Artemis Academy here in Hamburg, if she has any problems or struggles where a website or an app might help solve this problem. And actually, she was very grateful for us reaching out and suggesting doing the final project together, because she started her business shortly before COVID with like herself as an instructor and a handful of students. And now she has several instructors working for her, and she has a lot of students, but everything is still the way it was when she started. So students sign up to the class using WhatsApp and Signal and even mail and all kinds of platforms. And she kind of is losing sight of who is signing up for classes, who wants to join. And sometimes she has the feeling too many people are coming, and she wants to keep the classes small and intimate. So the idea was that we wanted to create a login platform and a registration platform for all the classes she's offering.
Yeah, so I'm going to show you how I as a student can use this website. So Pia will log in here with my credentials from the login screen. As soon as she hits the submit button, she'll be sent to the class overview schedule, where I can view all the classes that happen in current week. I can even scroll to the next week, or even I can view the classes that happened previously if I want so. I can also filter it by picking up a trainer for all the available classes, or maybe I can even filter it by the activity type if I so want to. What we're going to show you right now is get your membership call to action button, where you can view all your memberships, because you wouldn't be able to book a class if you don't have a membership plan active. So here, when you click on the get your membership button, you'll see all the available membership plans. But right now we're going to show you from the user profile menu how it looks if you haven't booked any classes or purchased any memberships. So if you don't have any, you have a message of this that says purchase a membership or book the class if you already purchased the membership. And you will get the same redirection if you click on this button. So let's buy one membership plan. Let's go for a basic one.
Because you don't want to work out too hard, right?
Yes. I just want to test out how the Artemis Academy works and if it's something for me. So let's say on Saturday, I would like to go for some Krav Maga ground defense class. And I click on it. I see all the available information, like description, some images, like date when it's happening, the time, how long it lasts, how many spots are left, and what's the instructor for this class. So if I click on the book now class button, I will get a pop-up where I can view a little bit more information about it, and I can confirm it. So if I click on confirm right now, you will see that I booked successfully and I can cancel it even from this screen. But we're not going to do that right now because we're not going to do it from the user profile overview. So the capacity went down, so that's good. Let's go to the My Booked Classes overview. We can see that I booked here a class ground depend just a moment ago. So if I want to cancel it, I can click on the cancel booking button. And just like that, the cancellation was successful. We get the message back that we want to book some more classes and whatnot. Right now, I want to show you what happens if we visit the My Membership Plan button. When we click on it, we get our active membership plan, how many credits we have available, which will go up and down based on the booking or canceling a class. We have the date when it's purchased, we have the expiry date, and if the expiry date is up and the credits available reach 0, the status would be deactivated and we will have to buy a new membership plan. So that's it. Now I'm going to show you the account overview, where I can view all my account information when I registered. So let's say I wanted to change like the address that I live in. So I can click on the update and I can go to the address. Let's say I want to change the number, verify works time. I click on the update. You see it's updated. I can even update my user profile photo if I want to. By clicking on the update profile and then clicking on this camera icon, and then I can choose a image that works for me.
I don't have one.
That's fine. But we're not gonna do that right now. I just had the option to view it. And that's it basically for the user overview. Now I'm gonna pass it over to Pia to show you how the admin side looks like for this website.
All right. Yes. Thank you, Dennis. I asked Isabella, who's an admin, for her login credentials to be able to show you. So don't be surprised. This profile image is not me, but I'm still an admin and I got the login data from her. You will see that there's basically this overview of all classes looks pretty much the same. I have the same functionality, but I have this quick access button now as an admin to be able to create some more classes. And I have the feeling tomorrow, which is Friday, there's not really a lot of classes at the moment. So let's quickly create one together. Let's do an early morning sparring session or something. I need some description. It will be taught by Lisa, let's say. Don't want too many people because it's sparring. So let's say 8 people can join max. And this should be tomorrow in the morning. Maybe 7 is too ambitious and no one will show up this early, but we will see. And it's Krav Maga. So I will create this class. And now you can see it here. It's being taught by Lisa. And you see that there's still all 8 spots available and no one has registered yet. So what I also can see as an admin, which was one of the main concerns from Isabella, was that she wanted to be able to tell who's coming to the classes, who has registered. So let's have a look at this. This here is now one of the classes we offer. And here we have a list of all the users who have logged in and who wanted to join the class. So I have a very quick overview who's going to come and who not. And I also have the possibility to change some things here. So if I want to call the class something else, for example, I can update it here real quick as well. And it takes a short moment, but then you see that it's updated in this overview here. So 2 things already which an admin can do: creating new classes, editing them, and seeing who is going to join the class. And everything else the admin wants to do and can do will be available from the admin dashboard, where we have made a collection of all the things which are relevant for our admin. So here you see our membership plans, the different kind of classes we offer, all the classes and all users. And let's have a look at our membership plans. So we have seen that Dennis purchased the basic membership, right? And for 60 euros, he can come 5 times. I think we should increase this a little bit. Let's give him more. It's the beginning of the year. Everyone has like the feeling they want to work out more. So let's increase this and have a special price. For 60 euros, you can come 8 times. We update this and you can see it's updated already. And for the user and the user overview, it's also updated. If I wanted to, I can also create a new one, but that's not necessary at the moment. I think we have a wide variety of memberships at the moment. The same can be done for the activity types. So you see that we offer kind of new agey things like cacao ceremonies and yoga, but we also offer martial arts, which is an interesting mix. If you wanted to change anything about this, we could do it here. We can see which images I have uploaded for this kind of activity type. Or I could create a new one if I wanted to, but we will not do this now. And here we see all the classes I'm offering at the moment as well, to be able to edit them. Or if you want to have this detail view to see who's going to come and who not, we can also do this from here. All right. So then we also have this user overview here with all the users, and we can see which classes they have booked. And I mean, Dennis should have 0 classes because he deleted them, but I see he had an old account already. So let's look into this account from Denis here, which he previously made with a different email address. And here I can see the classes he attended in the past and he signed up to. So I know that in January, he was very motivated and came to a lot of classes. In February, he didn't come yet, but there's still a lot of time, I think, in this month for him to join. If I wanted to, I could also update his user information here. So if he doesn't want to update it himself, he can tell me, okay, I made a typo in my date of birth. Can you please fix it? And I can do it for him as well. Yeah, I guess that's it from the admin side. The only thing which we can also do now is to invite someone new to join our instructor teams. So let's see here. We will just create a new account, a new instructor real quick. And hire Miguel. And it's up to you, Miguel, I think, to decide which kind of classes you want to teach. If they're South African martial arts, I'm not sure.
I think I'll be better teaching you swimming than any sort of martial arts, but
Okay.
yeah. I did
We
some
will
kickboxing.
write it down as BJJ. You have until Sunday to learn.
No worries.
And then we will see if we will offer some Wim Hof or swimming classes in the future. Yeah, that's it from us. And that's our product.
This is amazing because, you know, this is a course to teach people to get into web dev, right? And not only have you done your bootcamp, but you've actually created a product which is in actual use directly out of the bootcamp. And this to me is something fantastic. I don't know that this has actually been done before like this. So a big congratulations from my side. I think we at WBS Coding School are super proud of you and of what you've achieved here because it is super complex. And yeah, for those of you who are wondering whether or not it's possible after 15 weeks at a bootcamp at WBS Coding School to do anything useful, I think there has never been better proof of what is possible if you really are dedicated to making this your future career. So thank you very much to the two of you and good luck for the future.
Thank you.
Thank you too.